z oda values represent பண்ணுது. Finally we have to take it as translation distances x, y, z. Okay, we'll see the translation first. So translation is nothing but moving an object from one plane to another plane. That is very simple, moving of object. An object is translated in 3 dimension by transforming each of the defining point of the object. In 3D homogeneous coordinate representation, and a point is transformed from position. So we have a position, you can see one object's position is x comma y comma z. Okay, once we have done the translation, that object will be moved on to another place that will be represented by using x inverse, y inverse and z inverse. This you can write it up, the new position is called as p inverse and the existing position is called as translation dot the position. So definitely the matrix is very simple. You just have a look of this in the bottom, x dash, y dash, z dash and 1 will be the common value which is for representing yours in 3D. So you can see the first, first will be 1 because x will be 1, second roller y will be 1 and third roller z will be 1. So we have to do multiply the matrices of this for translation, and easiest for your easy understanding I'll show that like. So this is a matrix representation. It is equivalent to the third equation, I mean 3 equations of the matrix representation, which is like you can see this it is a addition of all the 3. Okay, x oda position ninga parunga, you can see one cup. So it is there in your actual, the object is placed in your x, y, z plane. So after we have done translation, it will be moved somewhere else. How? In the sense we have to add x coordinate value oda x dash ன்றது new object move பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் இருக்கிற new coordinate system, I mean new coordinate values oda x dash, x oda value. So x dash is equal to x plus tx, translation of x. Then y dash வந்து y plus translation of y and z dash ன்றது z plus translation of z. So நம்ம 2D க்கு just xy values add பண்ணா போறோம். But here இங்க z இருக்கிறதுனால நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம்னா 3D ன்றதுனால z ஓட translation distance நம்ம extra add பண்ண வேண்டியிருக்கும். Where parameters tx, ty, tz are specifying translation distance for the coordinate directions x, y and z or assigned any real value, we can assign it up. So translate an object by translating each vertex in the object. So உங்களோட ஆப்ஜெக்ட் எந்த மாதிரி வேணாலும் இருக்கலாம். அது வந்து ஆப்ஜெக்ட் வந்து கிராஃப்ல it represents some coordinate values and the values ஓட x, y, z values 3 values represent பண்ணும். இந்த கிராஃப்ல நீங்க ஒரு பாயிண்ட் வச்சீங்கன்னா it represents x, y, z. ப்ரீவியஸா நார்மல் கிராஃப்ல 2D ல x and y coordinate values இருந்தா போறோம். பட் இங்க we need z coordinate values also. So that is the translation. So translationக்கு நம்ம என்ன பண்ணோம், x, y, z ஓட values மூணு valuesலயுமே நம்ம translation distance add பண்ணா போறோம். ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா உங்க ஆப்ஜெக்ட் வந்து 1,1,1 இருந்ததுன்னா if you are adding 2 அப்படின்றது translation distance காமனா வச்சிட்டீங்கன்னா 3,3,3 ல உங்களோட ஆப்ஜெக்ட்டோட first position will be moved. So this is an example for 3D. So you can go for the second one.